How to easily lock your Facebook profile in year 2024. Please be noted that I am from the Philippines. In case that this tutorial will not work for you, you can comment your country below for others to know. Let's start. Open your Facebook account. Next, click Menu. Then click your profile picture. Next, click the three dots. You can see that the lock profile option is not available. This is because your professional mode is turned on. Click Turn off professional mode. Then click Continue. Next, click Turn off to confirm. And you have successfully off your professional mode. Click Close to continue. Then click Back. Next, refresh your profile. You can also close Facebook app and then open it again. Next, click the three dots again. Nice. The lock profile option is now available. Click Lock Profile to proceed. Then click Lock your profile. And you have successfully locked your profile. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe for future updates. If you have a question, just leave a comment below. Thank you.